Hi there. A couple of folks have asked me about some of the hills that I scale in preparation for some of my major hikes. So I thought I'd share with you this interesting little hill that's very beginner friendly, but it looks challenging because of the boulders here in Jurupa Valley. So enjoy.
Because there are lots of people around here. I'm facing the 60 freeway there. Out here was westbound, and this is the hill right up there. I think it's like about 300 feet up. The problem is I've been looking around and there is no trail up there. Well, it's not that bad, but I think in this case, as you know, I bring sandals. It's not even that, but my feet are like swimming around in the sandals, so I don't get very good grip. It looks like I'm about 2/3 of the way up from the foothill down there. So, and there's no easy way to go up this thing. It's just all rocks. And believe it or not, every time I'm looking around to see if I see some sort of trail, and it usually doesn't matter. It's just, as a matter of fact, if anything, the thing you might hate is the rocks. They're usually the things I go for because they're the only things that give me grip up here. So it looks like I got, like I said, about 100 feet to go, and I haven't fallen, so that's good news. Let's see if I get up there. The actual peak is right up there. So here we are at the top, and yeah, it's raining. As a matter of fact, I had to turn off the camera a little because it was starting to get wet, and the video looked like it was going crazy. So I would probably only be able to film for a few seconds, but here's the top. Yeah, I'm all muddy and stuff, but wow, that was where I came from. I thought I'd share with you, now that it's raining a little more, you can't see a thing. Up here, it almost looks like, you know, when you're flying in an airplane and you're going through the clouds, you can't see a thing. But I also know, like I said, it's time for me to go back down. Sometimes, that's actually the most dangerous part. I can't even see where the hell it's going. I'm gonna have to wait up until the cloud clears, at least a little. Okay, so I found a little trail. It's super rainy, and I will put on the map where this trail is, but I thought I'd just show you. Like I said, I don't even want to film too much because this phone is going to come crazy. So this is the further trail. I can at least see some stuff down there. That should be the 60 freeway. Okay. Oh, the views are beautiful. Look at this stuff. This is just amazing. See the mountains back there? That's where we came from. City.
So that's the end of the video. I had to cut it off because of the rain, but I hope that gives you an idea that there are lots of hills nearby that you can practice with. So if you got any questions, let me know.